Ouch, oh my god. I am not following the light.
Just go into it, Brandon. Okay, so
Is this heaven?
we're... Oh my god! Dude, there was like... I don't even know.
Don't do that to me again! Oh shit, there's a tree there.
So where are we? Dude, there's shit in the trees. I don't like this. I'm hearing like fucking squirrels.
We're in the heart of the rainforest here, everybody. There's coyotes, deer, snakes even.
You were totally Australian 30 seconds ago. And I thought there was alligators.
Do you see water? There's no alligators over here.
Isn't there a lake way up that way? You can't even see anything. It's just fucking pitch black.
I know.
The only thing I can see is
oh
you.
Oh my god. Cranky, what is that? I believe that's a woodpecker.
That is not a woodpecker, dude. That's a bat.
I'm trying to make a show here.
Are you? Because you obviously don't like the light.
I can't follow the light right now. I can't do this right now.
Dude, there's fucking bats!